44, 44 pounds. I will sell for 44, 46, 48. 48 to the gentleman, 50, 52, 52 pounds, and I will sell for 52, 54 to the lady, 56, 56, I will sell for 56 pounds, 58, I will sell, semi-tame, 58 pounds, I will sell for 58, 60, I will sell for 60 pounds, last chance, sold. 463. A really nice breeding pair of cockatiels, a lovely white-faced pied cockbird, a cinnamon pied hen. Nice breeding pair. Who's got £40 a bird to starters? 40 I've got. Who's got 42? 40 I've got. Who's got 42? Who's got, who's went up to 54 last time? Who's got 42? Last chance, 42. Looking for 44. 42 looking for 44. 42 pounds looking for 44. It's your last chance.
Yeah, that's all right.
Reserve 50. Not sold. Come and see us at the end if you're interested in them. We've got 3 chicken feeders, 3 kids in the back. We're bidding for all 3. Who's got a fiver for the 3? A fiver for the lot. There's 3 in there. A fiver. Who's got £3? Who's £3 I've got? I will sell for 3. It's last chance. Sold. Bag of chick crumb. Bag of chick crumb. Who's got a pound? Pound for the chick crumb. I'll bid a pound. Beat them. 2. 2.50. £2.53. £3. John's bid at £3. I will sell for 3. It's your last chance. Sold. £468, a pair of fives. Pair of 5 canaries. Who's got £13 a bird?
8 quid.
£13 a bird. Who's got tenner?
8
£10 a bird. 10 or we'll pass them by. Not going lower than 10, not for canaries. £10 a bird. It's your last chance. Not sold.
Not reserves much higher than that.
469, another pair of fives. Who's got £10 a bird for the fives? £10 a bird. 10 I've got. Who's got 12? £10 I've got. Who's got 12? £10 a bird. It's your last chance. Reserves 13. Not sold. $470. A cinnamon cock 5 canary. Who's got £10 for the cock canary? Who's got tenner? 10 I've got. Who's got 11? £10. And who's got 11? I will sell for 10. It's your last chance. Sold. $471. Lovely yellow 5 canary. Another cockbird. Who's got £10 for the cock canary? Who's got tenner? 10 I've got. Who's got 11? £10 I've got. Who's got 11? £10. I will sell for 10. Sold. $472. proven pair of diamond doves. Who's got £15 a bird for the diamond doves? Who's got 15s? 15 I've got. 15 I've got. Who's got 16? Who's got 16? I will sell for £15 a bird. 16 I've got. 17. 18. 19. Luke's bid at 19. I will sell for £19. It's your last chance. Sold. Got 473. Pair of Kakarikis, a lovely pied cockbird, cinnamon green pied hen. Who's got £30 a bird for the Kakarikis? 30 I've got. Who's got 32? 30 I've got. Who's got 32? 30 I've got, and I will sell at £30 a bird. It's your last chance. 33. Who's got 34? 34 a bird. I will. 35. 36. 37. £37 behind me. I will sell for 37. Last chance. Sorry. $474. The cinnamon hen Kakariki, a young bird. A nice young bird who's got £30 for the hen Kakariki. 30 for the lady, 32. 32, 34. Ladies bid at 34. Looking for 36. I will sell to the lady for 34. It's your last chance. Sold. $475. The cinnamon pike hen, another young bird. Who's going to start me at £30? £30 for the Kakariki hen. A nice cinnamon pie. £30 anywhere. I'll take 25. 25 I've got, looking for 27. I've got 25, looking for 27. I will sell for £25. It's your last chance. 27. 27. I will sell for £27. It's your last chance. Sold.
Good.
Now we've got some nice canaries, 476. We've got a pair of yellow mosaic black opals. Lovely birds. Who's got £10 a bird? 10 I've got. 12? 12 I've got. 12 I've got. Who's got 13? 13. Gentleman's bid at 13. Who's got 14? This is still really cheap. I will sell for £13 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold. Same again, but nicer. 477, a pair of yellow mosaic with black opal canaries. Lovely in there. Who's got £12 a bird? £12 a bird. Who's got 10s? 10 I've got. 11? 11, looking for 12. 11, looking for 12. £12 a bird. Who's got 13? £12, 13 anyway. £12 a bird, last chance. Sold. Mr. Burrows, you put them in, do they come with carriers? Because they're zip tied up.
Yeah.
Yes. They come with carriers. Who bid 12 for the others? Did the person who bought the other pair of those 8 for £12 come and pay for them?
And there is the in the standard.
Someone here to want them. Excuse me, you won the bid on the canaries at £12? Cheers.
Get in that wallet. So what you're gonna say? Taz. Hey?
The one on the snow, do we know if it's a cock or hen? We've got a single yellow mosaic canary, a young bird, this year's bird, who's got £10. 10 I've got. £10. I will sell for 10. 11 anyway. 11. £11. 12. £12. 13. I will sell for £13. It's your last chance. Sold.
Better the first time round.
Four, 7, 8. We've got 2 pairs of printed tipplers. 4 printed tipplers, 2 pairs. Who's got £5 a bird for the tipplers? Tippler pigeons, who's got 2? £2 a bird, 2 a bar, 3. 3 looking for 4. 4, 5, 6. £6 a bird, who's got 7? 7. 8. £8 a bird, who's got 9? I will sell for £8 a bird. 9. 9 in front of me, 10. £10 a bird. I will sell for £10 a bird. Last chance. Sold. Four, 7, 9, another 4 printed tipplers, 2 pairs, 4 birds in there, you're bidding per bird. Who's got £5 a bird? 5 I've got, looking for 6. 5 I've got, looking for 6 for the printed tipplers. 6. 6 I've got, looking for 7. 6 I've got, looking for 7. 7 at the back, looking for 8. 8, looking for 9. £8, 9. 9 at the back, 10. £10 a bird. I will sell for 10s, it's your last chance. Sold.
No. Win, lose, or
Right, the last box of these, lot 480. 4 printed tippler pigeons. 2 cocks, 2 hens, 2 nice pairs. Who's got £5 a bird? 5 I've got. Who's got 6? 6 I've got. Who's got 7? 7 I've got. Looking for 8. £7 I've got 8. 8 I've got. Looking for 9. 9 in front of me. Looking for 10. I will sell for £9. 10. £10. 11. 11 on the wall. I will sell for £11 a bird. Last chance. Sold.
Two cocks are there. Two cocks. Hey. Two cocks. What do you want? How much? Really good job.
481. A nice pair of white budgies, pretty good pair. Lovely birds. Who's got £15 a bird? 10 I've got. I'll take 12. 12 I've got. 14. 14. I'll take 15. 15. 16. 16. Looking for 17. £16 a bird. I will sell to the lady for 16. Last chance. 17. 18. £18. £18 and I will sell. Last chance. Sold. Right, 482, we're on to a few pairs of Rylanders. Pair of Rylanders, 482. Nice pair of Rylanders, always sell well. Who's got £25 a bird for a Rylanders? Rylander Canaries, Crested. Who's got £25 a bird? Who's got 20s? 20 I've got, who's got 22? 20 that I've got, who's got 22? £20 and it's the last chance. Reserves 25. Sold. Same again, pair of Islanders. Nice white one in there. Who's got £25 a bird for the Islanders? Who's going to start me at 20? £20. £20 I've got. Who's got 22? 22 at the door. Who's got 25? £22 at the door. £22 is your last chance. Reserves 25. Sold. Another pair of Islanders. Who's got £20 a bird? Who's got £20 a bird for the Islanders? £20 a bird. It's your last chance, or passing by. 20 I've got, looking for 22s. 20 I've got, looking for 22s. It's your last chance. Reserves 25. Not sold. Got 4 and 5. We've got 3 Rylanders. Altogether, 1 cock and 2 hens. Who's got £20 a bird? 20 a bird for the Rylanders. £20 a bird. Last chance of a passing by. Not sold.
How you doing? All right.
We'll just let these catch up. Right, 486. A single Rylander. Single Rylander. Who's got £25 for the Rylander? 25? 25 I've got. Who's got 26? 25 I've got, and I will sell for 25. Last chance. Sold. 487, the Goldfinch Mule Cockbird. 487. Who's going to start us at £40 for the Goldfinch Mule? £40. Start me at 30. Can't go lower than 30. £30? 30 I've got, looking for 35. £30, looking for 35. 35. 35, looking for 40. £40. I'll take 42. £40, I'll take 42. It's your last chance. Reserves 45. Sold.
Forum 4, where's your 4? Is out there?
488. The Cockbird Siskiyou Mule. Who's got £30 for the Siskiyou Mule Cockbird? Who's got 20 to start me? 20 I've got. Who's got 22? 22 at the back. 24 sitting down. I'm looking for 25. 25. I'll take 26. 26. Looking for 27. I will sell for 27 over on the wall. I'll take 28. Yeah? 28. Looking for 29. 29 on the wall. Looking for 30. 30. I'll take 32. £30 sitting down. I will sell for 32 on the wall. 32. I will sell for £32. 34. 34. Looking for 36. I will sell for £34. It's your last chance. Sold.
Yeah, I think so.
He's just behind the camera, Dale.
That's defence plate.
489, pair of dimorphic canaries. We've got £10 a bird for the dimorphics. 10 I've got, who's got 12. 12 I've got, looking for 14. Ladies bid at 12. I will sell for £12 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold. £4.90, pair of Irish Fancy. Right, 489A, a pair of Irish Fancy. Who's got £10 a bird for the Irish Fancy? £10 a bird for the Irish Canaries. 10 I've got. Who's got 11? £10 I've got. I will sell for £10 a bird. 11. 11. 12. 12 I've got. I will sell for £12. It's your last chance. Sold. $4.90. The Golden Mule Cockbird and the Cage. Right, Goldfinch Mule Cockbird, $4.90. Who's got £30 for the Golden Mule Cockbird? Who's got 30? Who's got 25? £25. Who's going to start me at 20? 20 I've got, looking for 22. £20 I've got for the Golden Mule Cockbird. 22, looking for 20, 24. 24 looking for 20, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, not twos, looking for 32. £30 bid. I will sell for 32. 34, £34. 35, 36. I will sell for £36. It's your last chance. Sold. We've got 3 nice lots coming up. Portuguese Harlequins. Lovely colours. 491, a breeding pair. Nice pair of Portuguese Harlequins. These can start us at £25 a bird. £25 a bird. There's 25 I've got. 25 I've got. Looking for 27. 25 I've got. 27 at the back. I'll take 28. 27 at the back. I will sell 28. 28, I'll take 29. 29, looking for 30. I will sell 30. £30 at the front. Looking for 31. I will sell for £30. 31 at the back. Looking for 32. 32. £32. I will sell for 32. 33. From 34 to 34. £34. 35. 35 at the back. 36. 36, 37. £37. I will sell for 37. 38. 38, 39. 40. I need twos. £40 at the front, looking for 42. I will sell for £40. It's your last chance. Sold. £4.92. Another pair of Portuguese Harlequins. Let's start at £30 a bird this time. Who's got 30s? Who's got 25? £25 a bird. I've got 25. Got 27? 27. Looking for 30. 30. 32. 32. Looking for 34. I will sell for £32. Your last 34. 34s. I will sell for 34 a bird. Last chance. Sorry. $4.91. We've got a single Portuguese Harlequin hen. Sorry, $4.93. $4.93. Portuguese Harlequin hen. The great Fabuli. Who's got £30 for the Portuguese Harlequin hen? Who's got 30? 30 I've got at the back. Who's got 32? 30 at the back. Who's got 32? £32. Looking for 34. 34 sitting down. 35. 35. I'll take 36. I will sell for £35. It's your last chance. 36 sitting down. 37. I will sell for 37. It's your last chance. 38, 39, 39 pounds. You want 40, sir? 40, 41. I will sell for 41 pounds. Last chance. Sold. Four name 4, yellow mosaic cross agate canaries. Just 2 in there, lovely pair. Yellow mosaic cross agate. Who's got £20 a bird? Who's got 15? 15s I've got. Who's got 17? 15 I've got. Who's got 17? £15 and it's your last chance. Reserves 20. Not sold. 495. Same again, yellow mosaic cross agate canaries. Who's got £20 a bird? Who's going to start at 15? 15 I've got. Who's got 17? 17 I've got. 17 I've got. I take 18. 18 I've got. 19 sitting down. Looking for 20. £19 sitting down. £19, 20, 21, 21 sitting down, £21 I will sell for 21, 22, 23, 23, do you want 24, 24, 25, £25 I will sell for 26, £26 I will sell for £26 a bird, last chance, sold. 496, said again, yellow mosaic cross agates. Who's got £20 a bird? Who's going to start me at 15 then? 15 I've got, looking for 17. 17 I've got, looking for 19. 19, I'll take 20. 20, I'm looking for 22. £20, looking for 22. I will sell for £20 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold. $497, another pair of yellow mosaic cross agate canaries. Yellow mosaic agate canary pair. Who's got £20 a bird? Who's got 15 to start? 15 I've got. Who's got 17? £15 a bird, 17 sitting down. Looking for 19. £17 sitting down. 19 I've got. I'll take 20. 20 I've got. Looking for 22. £20. I will sell for £20 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold.
pay by the hour. Pay by the hour.
498. Hand tame budgies, 2 hens. We're bidding for one but taking both tame budgies. Guys, can we sit down so people can see? 2 tame budgies. Who's got £20 for the budgies? Who's got £20 for the 2? £20 I've got sitting down. I'll take 22. 22, looking at 24. 24, looking at 26. 24, 26, looking at 28. 28, looking at 30. 28, 30. 32. £32. I will sell for 32. It's your last chance. Sold. People, can we sit down? Can we sit down if you're not paying? People here, if you're not paying, can you sit down, please? Pete, can you ask the gentleman to sit down, please? Who needs to go and sit down? Is in the way? Sir, can you sit down if you're not paying? Okay, this lady needs a bit of space around her. That's right. Right, 499. 499. The Lutino ringneck hen. DNA card is up here. Lutino ringneck hen. Who's got £100 for the ringneck hen? 100 I've got. 110, 110, 120, 130. 130, 135, 140, £140, 145, 150, £150, 155, 160, £160, 165, 165, 170, £170, 175, £175, 180, 180, 185, 190, 190, £190, I will sell for £190, 195, 200, £200, I will sell for 200, it's your last chance, sold. Mr. Warlow with the ringneck, does it come with a cage? The door's tied. Right, so not with the cage. Will you sell the cage, sir? £5. £5 for the cage. Lot 500. Oakline Cobalt Cockbird and Oakline Dark Green Cockbird. 2 cockbirds in there. Who's got £10 a bird? 10s. Who's got 8? £8 a bird for the budgies. 5 I've got over there. 6, 6, 7, 8. £8. £8 £8 a bird, and I will sell for 8. £9, 10. I will sell for £10 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold. $501 with a tame Kakariki cockbird. Tame Kakariki cockbird. Nice and tame. The video is on Facebook. It is properly tame. Who's got £100 for the Kakariki hand-reared cockbird? Who's got 80? Start me at 80. £80, you're not going lower than that. £80 for the tame Kakariki. 80 I've got. I'll take 85. 80 I've got, looking for 85. Videos are all over Facebook and being handled. 85, it's your last chance. Reserves 100. Not sold. Guys, you can't collect the pages till the end, we haven't got time.
Get them on anyways.
502, 5 hen. Nice yellow 5 hen on row. Who's got 15? Who's got £15? Who's got 10? 10 I've got. 12? 12. 14, I'll take 15. 15 I've got. 15. 15 looking for £16. It's your last chance. Reserve is 16. Sold. $503, the dimorphic hen. Lovely little hen, ideal for muling. Who's got £15 for the dimorphic? 15 I've got. Looking for 16, 16, 17, £17, 18, 19, £19, 20, 21, £21, and I will sell for 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25. I will sell for £25. It's your last chance. 26. I will sell for 26. Last chance. Sold.
What for?
504. A roller hen. Nice roller hen. Who's got £15 for the roller hen? 15 I've got. Who's got 16? £15 a bid. Who's got 16? £15 is your last chance. 16. 16, and I will sell for 16. Last chance. Sold. 505, pair of budgies, Latino hen, green cockbird. Who's got £12 a bird? Who's got 10? £10, nice Latino there. 10 I've got, who's got 11? £10 a bird, who's got 11? £10 a bird, it's your last chance. The reserve's 11, sir. Sold.
I'm sick of stepping over. I'm like,
Colours the ring.
506 is Spangled Blue. bird. Just one in there. Lovely cock bird. Lovely sky blue. Who's got £12 for the sky blue cock budgies? Who's got 12? Who's going to give us 10? 10 I've got. Who's got 11? 10 I've got. Who's got 11? 11 I've got. 12. 12 I've got. 13. 13 I've got. I will sell for £13. Last chance. Sold.
It's going to be off the high.
A white cock and a green hen budgie. Lovely nice white cock there. Who's got £12 a bird for the budgies? Who's got 10? £10 a bird. 10 I've got. Who's got 11? £10. 11 I've got. 11 I've got 12. 12 I've got. He's waiting for you to look away, John. 12 I've got. 13. 13. 14. 14. I will sell for £14. Last chance. Sold. No friends in an auction, is there? 508, the lovely lion head, double maned rabbit, 14 weeks old. Male or female, Luke?
Yes, my round.
Buck. It's a boy. Lion head, double maned rabbit.
Michael.
Who's got £15 for the lion rabbit? Lion head for £15. £15. Can't go any lower than that. £15 I'm going to pass it by. 15 I've got with the lady, looking for 17. Oh, you're together, aren't you? 15 I've got, looking for 17. £15 of this, looking for 17. £15 and it's your last chance. The reserve's 20. Sold.
She was mine.
509. Mini Rex go. So, Mini Rex. Who's got £15? 15 I've got. Who's got 16? 15 I've got. I will sell for 15. 16 over the wall. 17 to the lady. 17 sitting down. Looking for 18. 18. 19 on the wall. £19 on the wall. Looking for 20. 20 to the young gentleman. 20 to the young gentleman. Looking for 21. 21 over on the far wall. 21, and I will sell for £21. Last chance. Sold.
You got to wait till the end. I'll get the birds to the back.
511.
Yeah, I don't know.
Some more budgies.
No, I haven't actually.
We've got a yellow face, grey green cockbird. Who's got £10 for the cock budgie? Who's got a tenner? £10. Who's got 8? £8 for starters. 8 I've got. I'll take 9. £8 I've got. I'll take 9. £8 and it's your last chance. Reserves 10. Not sold. 512, 2 cockbirds in there, grey cock and green cockbird. Who's got £10 a bird for the 2 cockbirds? Who's going to start at 8? £8 a bird. £8 on the pass and buy. £8 and it's your last chance. Not sold. 513, 5 canary cockbird. 513, the 5 canary cockbird. Who's got £10 for the 5 cockbird? £10. Who's going to start me at 8? 8 I've got, who's got 9? £8 I've got, who's got 9? £8 and it's your last chance. Reserves 10. Sold. Right, lot 507. The budgies, a white cockbird and a green hen. £14 was the bid. The winning bidder hasn't been up.
John, what was it? John!
Was it John? He's useless, isn't he? Where is he?
Somebody mentioned money in the mouth.
Right, 514. A goldfinch cockbird. Closed round 2025 bird. It's a good singer. Who's going to start us at £60 for the goldfinch cock? 60 I've got. I'll take twos. 60 I've got. 62 anyway. 62. 64. 64. Looking for 66. £64. 66. 68. £68. I will sell for 68. It's your last chance. Sold. Five on five, got some nice Norwich Canaries. Pair of Norwich Canaries. 515. Who's got £10 a bird? Worth 3 times that. Who's got 10? 10 I've got. Who's got 12? 12 on the wall. Looking for 14. 12 on the wall. 14. 16. 16 on the right wall. Looking for 18. £16 a bird in the bargain. I will sell for 16.
The Yellows.
£16 a bird. I will sell 18. £18. Looking for 20s. I will sell for 18. 19. 19 I've got. Looking for 20. I will sell for 19. It's your last chance. So. Same again. 516. Pair of Norwich Canaries. The greens. Who's going to start me at £15 a bird? 15 for the Norwich. Start me at 12. 12 I've got. Looking for 14. 14 I've got. 15 I've got. 16. £16 and I will sell for £16 a bird. It's your last chance. Sold.
They were a bargain.
517. A single cockbird. Norwich. Who's got a tenner for the single cockbird? Tenner I've got. Looking for 11. 11? 11. I'll take 12. 11 I'll take 12. 12 I've got. 12 I've got. I will sell for 12. It's your last chance. Sold. $518. The Goldfinch Mule. Nice Goldfinch Mule. Who's got £20 for the Goldie Mule? 20 I've got. Who's got 22? 20 I've got. Who's got 22? 22. 24. 26. 28. 30. 32. £32 and I will sell for 32. It's your last chance. Sold.
This one looks like death row.
Last lot, 519.
His neck looks a
The
bit
blue
bald.
Goldie Mule. The blue Goldie Mule. Who's got £20 for the Goldfinch Mule? 20 I've got. 22. 24. 24 I've got. 26. 26 I've got. I will sell for £26. 28 sitting down. 28 sitting down. I will sell for 28. Last chance. Sorry.
done. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you later. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment on our posts or DM me. I'll get back to you. No, probably not. But we'll see you later. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. We're not here next week, so it'll only be posts. The week after we will be live again. So, yeah. But any questions or anything like that, just let me know and I'll get back to you. So, see you